x dash y dash equals. Right? What am I doing according to the functions? Now, I could do two matrices and you could probably freak about it. I'm just going to do it in one matrix. I've got a box, I've got x, y, and I've got another box. Right? This is your typical setup when you've got a big question full of transformations. Multiply. Multiply is my dilation factors and my reflections. Box at the end is my translations only. So if I read this question, I've got a factor 2 from y-axis. Where does the 2 go? Top corner or bottom corner? Top? Okay. This is 0. This is 0. Okay? What's going to go in the other corner? -1? Beautiful. Because there's a reflection in the x-axis, which means I've reflected my y values. I haven't done any dilations. -1. Yep. Done it. Done it. Translated 2 units up. Where's the 2 go? Top or bottom? Bottom. Is it 2 or -2? 2. 1 unit left. -1. Okay. Notice what they did with that question. Huh? In a second. Alright? Notice that they flip the 2 questions, they flip it around. They put the y value first, the x value second. Okay, following through. X dash equals 2 times x, which is 2x. You know there's no y, -1. Literally read the sentence. Da, 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 bang. Y dash equals, read the sentence, -y plus 2. So I've read across and copied out the sentence. From there, transpose. Therefore, x equals x dash plus 1 divided by 2. Take the 1 across, divide by 2. Check. Y equals so is it y minus 2, 2 minus y?
Negative y dash plus 2.
Negative y plus 2.
Negative y dash plus 2. Negative minus 2. Minus 2.
Ready? Watch. Stop that. See this guy? I want a positive. How do I do that?
Transpose.
Chuck it to the other side. Why? This 2, am I happy? Am I happy? Do I need to move it?
No.
I don't need to. Why do I need to move it?
Are you sure?
2. I'm only going to move this guy. This guy's going to move. Stop bloody flipping and things. Just go bang. Pick it up and move it. They weren't saying that because people were saying -2. Where's the -2? There's no -2. It's 2. 2 minus y. Done. From there, go back to the original equation. F of x is the same as y. Replace it. Equals x dash plus 1 over 2 squared. Yep. Replace the x, replace the y. Open the bracket. Flip. There's your transposed equation. 2 minus bracket x plus 1 all squared all over 4. If you were reading that, right, 2 units up, check. X plus 1 means I moved 1 unit to the left, done. A negative in front of the x, big negative, means I flipped it from top to bottom. Makes sense. The only thing I'm confused about is this 4, but that 4 really came from that 2 being squared. The 2 dilating factor 2 from y. In a way, easier to see that than it is to get that equation from the very beginning.